might have to tap up with a hammer.
Yeah, that's what I figured. That's why I kind of wanted to use the hammer or get a body hammer, but
same thing probably over here too. It's just that metal rolls out. I just wanted to dig into the wheel instead of roll up.
I think I gotta, if we hit it, we could either throw tape on it and then hit it with the hammer, or I just hit it, chip the paint, and then I have a paint marker in the car. It's on the inside of the fender. I'll just prevent it from rusting with doing that. So the reason why we're using this is because the car is still too low. After I've raised it like 1.5 inches, it's still hitting, this roller is still hitting, not here, but up here. And so it's stopping us from getting that part.
Like when we get this ball up here, that lip is only riding on that part. You can see where it's just been rubbing on just the top part of that thick, or the thick part of that fender. So, hammer time. Cooper went ham in here, got it like hella flat, a lot flatter than it was.
So we're gonna try the other side again.
We're gonna hit it even harder on the other side. That's a lot better.
Hopefully that will fix it. I saw tire marks on the inner side of the fender, not even like the lip part, the inner side. This is all the same size tire. Why the fuck is it doing that?
Womp womp.
That's tight. That's tight.
Sorry, Coop.
Yeah. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, get that camera in there. Get that camera in there. That's a finger fitting. We were getting.
Oh yeah, no, wait. Push on the back. Push on the back.
We were getting ID stuff before.
Oh, it did sink down some more, but here, if you come look, the tire, it's actually moving over the tire now. Wasn't doing that at Walgreens.
Nope. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Let's check this side. Even though this side's definitely something down more. Or you guys sent it down more. Oh, yeah. It's...
I think we did it with the hammer. I'm gonna test drive it around here. Oh, damn. There's a spot right here on the fender that's closer than I'd want it to be. Do you got your wallet? I don't have my wallet. Do you got like a card I can use? Ready?
Oh, wait, let me get my information up there instead. Absolutely nothing.
Okay, other side. I got the new lines ran right where I'm going to be jumping, so I hope I don't fuck up the wires. Like the fuel pump wires that we ran, I have it coming right through here, but we'll be all right. It's right here where I'm worried about.
Okay. Golden, bro.
Give him that thumbs up, Andy. Give him that thumbs up.
Ain't touching nothing.
Yeah, boy. Wrapping up the video. We just test drove it around black. Still plenty of space over here. Right there, a little bit more space than the other side, I think. Next time I'm just mess with the car, I think I'm gonna hit this spot. Like you can see right where we stopped rolling. Somehow this is close, but we were just jumping on it. It's fine. But yeah, we clearanced it. So now I can run these. I got some 10-inch wide wheels as well along the way, so we can have full black wheels front and rear, and I can see that. I'm super pumped for that. Go. Look at this, I keep de-beating the tire. I gotta go stack tire or tape on top of the rims. I'm pretty sure that keeps them from sticking on, but I've never had that problem before until I started really chucking it on the asphalt. So that's the next thing I gotta do, is just tape them on so they got a tighter clearance and they won't slip off.